Shopping for a pair of running shoes can be like picking out a new car. It's not just about the flashy ones up front. You need something reliable that will go the distance. For many runners, Asics and New Balance are top choices. Both brands are known for their comfortable and durable shoes, perfect for a variety of runners. New Balance started in 1906, while Asics came along in 1949. Despite their different histories, both brands focus on making supportive shoes. They offer cushioned midsoles that last, wide soles for a stable landing, and features that add extra support. However, their design approaches are different. Both brands have great shoes that can handle many miles, but there are differences in fit and feel. We've compared some of the top models from each brand to help you find the best option for your needs. Here's what you should know to make your running as comfortable as possible. Key comparisons between Asics and New Balance shoes. Upper fit. New Balance is a go-to for runners with wide feet. Their shoes tend to be roomy, providing relief if you find narrow fits uncomfortable. Many New Balance shoes feature minimalist uppers, allowing your feet to move freely and find a comfortable position. While this can mean less support for some, it offers a more relaxed fit overall. Asics, in contrast, is known for its snug fit, particularly at the heel and midfoot. This tight fit provides extra support, which many runners appreciate. However, some Asics models, especially those designed for racing, have narrow toe boxes to keep your feet secure during fast runs. Midsole, cushion, and drop. Both brands offer cushion rides, but their technology is different. Asics uses a proprietary gel compound in its midsoles, which absorbs shock without deforming quickly. This makes their shoes durable, even with softer cushioning. New Balance uses nitrogen-infused foam in its higher-end models, providing a responsive and plush ride. However, this foam can lose its structure more quickly than Asics gel. When it comes to drop, Asics shoes typically have a steep drop of 8 to 10 millimeters with a high stack heel full of gel. New Balance offers a wider range, with some shoes having drops around 5 millimeters. Transitioning from a higher drop to a lower one can take some adjustments, but it's not as drastic as switching to a zero drop shoe like the Ultra. To help you choose, we compared various popular shoe categories, trainers, racing flats, and stability shoes from both brands. Each shoe on our list is recommended for its comfort, fit, energy return, and value. However, each model has different strengths, so we've rounded up the top 5 performers from each brand to help you find the best fit for your needs. Alright, let's begin with neutral trainers. For this comparison, we'll look at the Asics NovaBlast 4 versus the New Balance Fresh Foam X 880 version 14 as an example. The Asics NovaBlast 4 comes in at $130, weighs 266 grams for the men's and around 243 grams for the women. It has an 8 millimeter drop. The pros are it has a high cushioning for a nice, comfortable run. Its responsive design gives you an energetic stride. It's suitable for various distances and training types, and it has an eco-friendly build with recycled materials. The cons are it might not be the lightest option for competitive runners, and the cushioning may feel a little too soft for those preferring a firmer ride. Now, the New Balance Fresh Foam X 880 V14 has a price a little bit higher at $150. XR, it weighs about 270 grams for men and 209 grams for women, with an 8 millimeter drop. Its pros are it has a high cushioning for long distance running comfort. It's light and flexible, it's suitable for various training routines, and it has multiple color options for personal preference. The cons are it's not as eco-friendly as its alternatives, and it's slightly heavier in the men's version compared to some competitors. In the end, the NovaBlast 4 is incredibly responsive and offers a versatile range of uses, from short runs to marathons, making it a great all-around shoe. Its eco-friendly materials are a nice bonus for the environmentally conscious. However, its cushioning might feel a bit too soft for those who prefer a firmer ride. On the other hand, the Fresh Foam X 880 V14 shines in long-distance comfort with consistent performance, though it lacks the eco-friendly touch and is slightly heavier, especially for men. It also offers a wider variety of colors, appealing to those who like more choices in their footwear. Now, let's move on to budget-friendly shoes. For this comparison, we're using the Asics GT1013 and the New Balance Fuel Cell Propel V5 as an example. The Asics GT 1013 running shoe comes in at around $100. It weighs 9.5 ounces for the men's and 8.3 ounces for the women's, with an 8mm drop. The shoe is a low-price stability option, making it budget-friendly. It has a wide footprint, which provides a more stable landing. The cons are, it's not very energetic, which may affect performance for some runners. Now, the New Balance Fuel Cell Propel V5 running shoe comes in at $150. It weighs 280 grams, approximately 9.9 ounces, and has a 6mm drop, so slightly less. The pros are, it's very comfortable, it's stylish, and it's really good value. The cons are, it just simply lacks the energy return of other shoes in this category. Now, wrapping up, when comparing the Asics GT 1013 and the New Balance Fuel Cell Propel V5, it's clear that each shoe caters to different needs. The Asics GT 1013 is a great budget-friendly option for those seeking stability. Its wide footprint ensures a stable landing, making it suitable for runners who need extra support. However, its lack of energy return may not satisfy those looking for a dynamic running experience. On the other hand, the New Balance Fuel Cell Propel V5 stands out for its exceptional comfort and stylish appearance. It offers good versatility and durability, and it makes a solid choice for various running activities. What it does lack in energy return, it compensates with high comfort levels and a good overall design. The higher price point might be justified for those who prioritize comfort and aesthetics in their running shoes. Now, if you're a more competitive runner, we have road racing shoes. For this comparison, we chose the Asics Metaspeed Edge Plus and the New Balance Fuel Cell Super Comp Elite V4 as an example. The Asics Metaspeed Edge Plus running shoe comes in at around $250. It weighs 7.4 ounces in its unisex variant, and it has an 8mm drop. Its pros are, the shoe is curated for your stride style, enhancing performance, and it provides a stable liftoff, aiding in smooth transitions. The con is, its thin, non-gusseted tongue can fold over, which may be uncomfortable for a lot of people. Now, the New Balance Fuel Cell Super Comp Elite V4 comes in at around the same price point at $250. It weighs 8.1 ounces, and it only has a 4mm drop, so it's a little flatter. The pros are, it has an incredibly comfortable ride. It's ideal for fast-paced, long runs. It features a Pebax midsole for enhanced performance. It's marathon ready with exceptional leg-saving cushioning. It has a premier upper material, it's excellent for forefoot strikers, and its roomy upper adds a lot of comfort. The cons are, it needs to lose a little bit of weight. It has a subpar tongue, and it feels a little bottom heavy. So finally, both shoes are high-end options designed for serious runners, but they cater to slightly different preferences and running styles. The Asics Metaspeed Edge Plus is perfect for runners looking for a lightweight shoe that enhances stride and provides stable transitions. Meanwhile, the New Balance Fuel Cell Super Comp Elite 4 is ideal for those prioritizing comfort and performance over long distances, despite its slightly heavier build. Now, for those that need some support, we compared stability shoes. For this comparison, we chose the New Balance 860 V14 versus the Asics Gel Kayano 31. The New Balance Fresh Foam X860 V14 comes in at a price of about $140. The men's weight is 306 grams, the women's weight on average 245 grams with a good 8mm drop. The pros are, its EVA film technology offers enhanced stability for overpronators. It has a balanced soft to firm ratio, providing a plush feel without compromising support. It has a nice round fit, and its stability plane technology provides steady support without sacrificing the midsole softness. Now the cons, it can feel a bit bulky, which might affect agility and speed for some runners out there. And the Asics Gel Kayano 31 comes in at a price of $160, weighing 305 grams in the men's and 260 grams in the women, and has a big 10mm drop. Its pros are, it has excellent stability. It's heel striker friendly, good breathability, is comfortable and roomy in the upper, offers superior cushioning for comfort on long runs, and has improved weight reduction from the gel Kayano 30. And plush FF Blast Plus foam ensures a soft cushion ride. Its main cons are it can feel a little bit cumbersome, affecting its versatility, and the outsole lacks the durability and grip seen in some of its competitors. So finally, if you prioritize comfort and adaptive stability, the New Balance 860 V14 is a solid choice. If you need maximalist cushioning and excellent stability, especially as a heel striker, the Asics Gel Kayano 31 might be the better option. Now, for one of my favorite categories, max cushion shoes. For this comparison, we choose the New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080 V13 versus the Asics Gel Nimbus 26. The New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080 13 comes in at a price of $165. It weighs 9.2 ounces or 261 grams in unisex, and it has a slight 6mm drop. Its pros are it's exceptionally comfortable, has outstanding breathability, incredibly soft ride, long-lasting outsole, it's really lightweight for its size. This thing has high quality materials throughout the shoe, and it's ideal for medium or long runs at a relaxed pace. Also, it's suitable for a wide range of foot shapes. Its cons are, as with all EVA-based midsoles, it falls short in energy return. It also kind of lacks stability, and it's not suitable for quick-paced running. Now, the Asics Gel Nimbus 26 comes in at a price of $160. It weighs 10.7 ounces or 304 grams and has a nice 8mm drop. Its pros are it has premium all-around comfort. It has an enhanced toe box design. It's exceptionally durable. It has a best in series outsole. It's ideal for long distances. Has a superb, nice knit upper. Is surprisingly stable on the ground and is an absolute dream for you heel strikers out there. Its cons are it's slightly heavy, has limited energy return, and the tongue lacks any padding whatsoever. So in the end, both shoes excel in comfort and durability, but cater to different running styles. The New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080 V13 is perfect for those who prioritize a soft, breathable ride and a run at a relaxed pace. In contrast, the Asics Gel Nimbus 26 is better suited for long-distance runners seeking stability and durability, especially those heel strikers out there. There will be no conclusion to this video, as every person is different, has different preferences, running styles, and specific needs. Please share in the comments below your thoughts about your favorite running shoes. Which ones do we forget about? Do you prefer another brand? If so, then tell the community why. We'd love to hear from you, so share your thoughts, experiences, and which brand you prefer in the comments below. Let's settle the debate together.